comes to beauty recipes and home DIYs, Upton is without doubt the most loved, the most popular recipe in India. I'm sure you must have already heard about it from your mother, grandmother, and chances are that you have already tried it out already. By the way, guys, on that note, if you have any interesting variations of how you like to prepare your Upton using minimal number of ingredients, please let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I can try it out in my next video. And as for today's video, guys, I'll be just sharing with you 4 very easy variations of Upton. Because here's the thing with Upton, guys, it's a very versatile recipe. You can accommodate it in so many ways. You can change it in so many ways. So depending on what your skin concerns are, your skin type, your skin problems, your needs, whatever you're looking for, you can do a lot of things with Upton. So today's video is all about Upton. Let's get started and let's see what these awesome recipes are. So starting with the most basic of all, the most basic Upton recipe that you can try out if you've never tried it out before. For this, we'll just take some gram flour. To this, we'll mix a little bit of curd. We'll also add a little bit of turmeric. So traditionally, most people tend to use turmeric from the kitchen, but I would suggest that instead of that, you use wild turmeric because it has a whole bunch of benefits. Plus, it does not stain your skin. Okay, so it just has more benefits than the traditional turmeric from your kitchen. If you want to use wild turmeric, that's a better option. And to this, you'll also add a few drops of lemon juice. Now, here's a quick thing that I just want to share. A lot of people are highly allergic to lemon juice because yes, it is a strong ingredient. So if you don't want to use lemon juice, you can skip it. If you want, instead of lemon juice, you can just add a little bit of lemon powder or lemon peel powder. Even that works really well. So just giving you some ideas of different ways to make a variation out of this. So mix all the ingredients really well. Apply it all over your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes till it dries off, and then scrub it off like this. Now, traditionally, it is said that when you scrub off the Upton, it also picks out little strands of your hair, so it also helps in hair removal. Personally, it has never worked for hair removal at all, be it on my face, on my hands, on my legs, never. And I don't think it actually works for hair removal for most people. If it has ever worked for hair removal for you, let me know. But even if not, Upton in itself is great for skin brightening, for just giving you a better glowing complexion, for cleaning up your skin. It has a lot of benefits. Next, we're going to talk about how you can use Upton for scrubbing your face and as a face pack together. So for this, once again, we'll take our base ingredient, which is gram flour, and to this we'll once again add a little bit of curd. And to make a good scrub out of it, we are using Arabica AAA Plus coffee, just a little bit of coffee powder to, exfoliate the skin. So after mixing all the ingredients, when you apply it by scrubbing your skin gradually and then just let it settle down to work as a face mask. And then wash it off after about 15 to 20 minutes for beautiful glowing skin. And for those who need a complete skin detox, well, this Upton recipe will work like magic for you. So once again, going back to the base ingredients, we'll take some gram flour, add some curd, and to this we'll then add a little bit of charcoal powder. Charcoal has a lot of benefits, especially when you want to detox your skin. To this we'll add a little bit of sandalwood powder to control the sebum production and deep cleansing the pores. And of course, a little bit of neem oil because hey, neem oil has amazing antibacterial benefits and it's great for skin detoxification. So just mix all of these ingredients really well. Once again, apply it like a regular face pack all over your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. And last but not the least, let's talk about skin aging. So if your mom is someone who doesn't like using cosmetic products and all of those things, ask her to try this out because it's all homemade, it's completely natural, completely safe, and Upton is something that no mom will ever say no to, I feel personally. So to make this is very easy. I've already mixed the gram flour and curd. And for the variation, we are going to add a little bit of beetroot powder. So beetroot is something which helps in dealing with dullness, reduces wrinkles, and great for skin purifying as well. So just mix all the ingredients really well, apply it all over your face, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off once again with cool water. So guys, those are the 4 Upton variations that I want to talk about in today's video. As you can see, all of these are very simple, and I've just kept the ingredient list to the bare minimum because obviously you don't want to add too many ingredients. It's just too much of hard work, right? However, if you do have any variations of your own that has worked really well for you, and I just talked about that in the beginning of the video as well, please share your own Upton recipes in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to hit like to this video if you like this video. So I hope you like this video and I hope you click like. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. By the way, guys, all the products that I've used today, I'll share the links in the description box below, and I'll just check if there's any sale going on. I'll put the sale details as well, so you can just save some extra money when you're buying your stuff. And yes, on that note, I'm gonna end today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.